Hey there, this is Adrika Vodare from Extra Code YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to take input from user. So here I will make a new file, tut7.py. Okay. So here to take input, what will we do? We will make a variable. Suppose if we write username name, and here what we have to do, we will use a function input, and here in strings we will give a text message to the user so that he or she can understand what they have to input. So if we write here enter your name, okay, so when we will run it, here it is asking enter your name. So if I write here Adrika, so now the value of Adrika means the Adrika is stored in username, the variable username. So if I write here print username, or let's make a little bit attractive, so if I write here your name is, okay, and let me concatenate it. I have told you in my last video how to concatenate strings. So if you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in the description box. You can check out that video. Okay. So here I have to enter my name, Adrika. See, it is writing your name is Adrika. Okay. So that's how you take input from the user. Now, if you want to ask user his or her age, so how will you do? I will make a variable age here, and here I will write input enter your age. Okay, and then I'll print age. Okay, enter your name. Let me enter my name Adrika, and then enter your age. So my age is 13. So as you can see here, it is written your name is Adrika, and here the age is written 13. Okay, now let me show you. If we concatenate it like your name is, and concatenation is, sorry guys, here I have to write age. Okay, so here Adrika and your age is 13. Okay, so as I told you in my previous videos that integer can't be concatenated to strings. So how is it possible that an integer here is getting concatenated to a string? As you can see, this is a string, this is an integer, right? So how it is concatenating? So the truth is that the age which you have entered is a string, right? Let me show you. Suppose if I write here print type of age. Type is a function used to get the, oh wait a second, Adrika. Type is a function which is used to get the type of data type we have. Okay, so age 13. As you can see, the type of age, it is giving str. So why is it giving str? Because by default the input we take from user is in the form of string. Okay, so if you want to give it, so if you want to take the input as an integer, what you have to do, you have to use int function here, right? So as I told you, int function converts string to integer, but only if string is a number. If it is a text, it won't convert it into integer, it will throw an error. So make sure where to use integer and where not. It might, okay. So here, now if I run it, and if I write here Adrik, oh god, here, if I write here Adrika and give my age 13, so you can see here it is giving an error. Why is it giving an error? Because now it is an integer. Now we cannot concatenate it, right? See, now if we run it, now you can see that it is giving the class as an integer, right? That means it is an integer now. Now, what if you want to concatenate a sentence to the age, but you do not want to change the type, initial data type, that is integer. Okay, so you can do it like this. Let me comment this sentence out. So you can do it like this, str and age. Okay, so this str will convert your age to a string only for one time. Now if you want to do any calculations on the age and that all, you can do it. The initial data type that you have given, that is integer, won't change. It will only change for this line. Okay, so let me comment out this one. See, if I write here and 13, you can see that it is concatenated properly, and here it is giving the class as integer also. So hope I made myself clear. Okay, so now if you want to write user's name is and the name of user and his or her age is, and you have to write his or her age. So you can write it like this, print user's name is, and then what will you do, you will concatenate username, right? And then you will write and age is, you have to write here str age. As I told you that initial value integer won't change, it will only change for this line and this line because we have given here str. Okay, so you have to give it. But if you know that you have to work on strings only, you have to concatenate your age with string only, you don't have to do any calculation on it, so it will be better that you do not use this string. That will be more good. Okay, so as now I don't have to do any calculations, so I can remove the integer. Okay, name and age 13. User's name is Adrika and age is 13. So let me give space here and here. Okay, now it will work. And 13. Now as you can see, it is working properly. User's name is Adrika and age is 13. If you want to add a full stop also, so you can write it here. Concatenate full stop also. Okay. So right, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys got to know how to take input from the user and work on them. So right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you so much.